In this episode, we dive into budget-friendly athleisure styling specifically for outdoor adventures. Imagine hiking through lush trails without compromising style or comfort. It's entirely possible. Start with versatile, moisture-wicking leggings paired with a breathable tank top, complemented by a lightweight, packable jacket for unexpected weather. Layer in a structured backpack that keeps essentials organized while enhancing your look. To finish, rock supportive sneakers that can handle rugged paths while adding a pop of color. With these affordable mix-and-match pieces, you can effortlessly transition from the trails to a cozy cafe, all while looking fabulous.